Hello everybody, and now welcome to our last Pong video. Now what we're going to do today is see the problem is at the moment with this is our score keeps ticking over, and what we want now is a way to finish the game. Okay, now we do that through backdrops. Now some people do it through sprites, but I prefer doing it through backdrops. And what we're going to do is we're just going to add a couple more backdrops. Okay, so at the moment we've got two. Okay, I'm just going to delete this one because you don't need it. Okay, and I'm going to add a new one. Okay, and this is going to be my end screen one. Now I'm just going to do a black screen personally because it's really easy to do. Then I'm going to type in the screen player 1 wins. And I'll do it in green because we have a green background before. Okay, you can make this look amazing. You can do spend, as I said, the longer you spend on this stuff, normally the better. Okay, and then I'm going to go duplicate that. I'm going to play 2 wins. Okay, I'm also going to change this backdrop to player 1 wins. Oops. And the name of this one to play 2 wins. Let's just copy that. We don't like wasting time. Paste that. Player 2 wins. Okay, let's stop this. It's driving me crazy that it's actually moving. Okay, now how do we get to this? Okay, now we want to go to the script here and make sure we always start in the event of the start that we go back to this backdrop. Okay. Switch to backdrop. To backdrop 2. Okay. Now this means at the start we always start with this, and then we want to actually have a variable to actually make it sure we can go to here. Now I'm going to have a game that is the first 4. Okay, and the way we do that is we go into our ball, go to the script. Okay, and in here, when we get our score here, we're going to add another variable, and these variables are going to be player 1 score and player 2 score. Okay, make a variable player 1 score. Okay, make a variable player 2 score. Okay, now we are going to say that when player 1, we're going to first start by set the scores. We always do variables. When you get new variables, you always put them in your controllers. Put that in the wrong spot. I have my control panel over here. Set both scores to 0. Both scores is to 0 straight at the start. Okay, this is good. Now, down here we want to change when we broadcast player 1 scores, we'll just change the score by 1. These are going to be invisible, by the way. We don't want to see them because we already have them here. And we're going to change the other score by 1 too. Player 2 score by 1. So every time you get the point, fantastic, it increases the score. Then we want to test something in every one. So a test means we need another controller. Okay, in our controller we're going to test if the score of player 1 is 4, equal to 4, operations, data, player 1 score, equal to 4, switch to backdrop, this is player 1, yes, it's all player 1, so switch to backdrop, player 1 wins, and stop all. As we always do, let's copy this, duplicate that, we're going to put that down here. Yes, this is a very long code, okay? And we'll change that. Player 2 score. Now we'll show this to player 2 wins. Okay, let's see if this works. Now I'm going to change my ball speed initially. I won't worry about it. Alright, let's see if it works. Ready? 1, good, they're changing. Okay, it's changed it up. Oh my god, I'm going to increase that ball speed, sorry. 5, otherwise it's going to be here forever. 5, 5. Okay. And let's go. That's better. Okay, we're just going to let it go. Make sure there's no always scoring points. Good. Going up. We just want to make sure it gets to... Good. Player 2 wins. Let's score 4 points here. Now let's just hide them all. Okay. Let's hide all the scores by basically just clicking here and just hiding our variables. Okay. You can also do that really by just putting hide in here. Okay. That means by code you're actually hiding both of them, which is really a lot better because you ever show them, you can always hide them again later. Okay. And that's your completed game. We're done. We've got a Pong game. It scores up to 4. Okay. Now, I went up to 4 because, as I said, I didn't actually have the numbers. 2, 3, 4. Okay, player 2 wins. Let's see if we know. Let's make sure player 1 wins this time. Oh, I hate when it goes into a loop like that, but we're done anyway, so it's alright. If it works. Come on. And when we're nearly done. Oh no! Oh my god, obviously we're not nearly done. And we're done. Player 1 wins. Awesome. And that is the end of our Pong game. We now have Pong, and this is awesome. Alright? I hope you've enjoyed this, and smell you later.